Oh no. Oh crap. What did I just do? Oh man.
Heavily out here lurking while I'm creeping. Cut off my angel wings, now I'm in pieces. Just a ghost, don't know these hoes can't see me. These hoes can't see me. Away from my past, I embrace my demons. Heavily out here lurking while I'm creeping. Cut off my angel wings, now I'm in pieces. Just a ghost, don't know these hoes can't see me. Hey, hold up, look at my life like what's the purpose? Thought when I made some mess that the shit would've turned out perfect. When I still look in the mirror like fuck, I still feel worth. Remember way back.
What is up? Welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. It's been since Christmas since I uploaded a video. Ain't really had much going on to make content with, so my apologies. I've been just working, trying to stack money and get some car parts in to make videos. So we get into it today. As you know, we in April. We got this whole daggone coronavirus going on, so I hope you guys are staying safe and staying clean and protecting yourselves. But today, I am upgrading my coilover springs. So as you see, I've already got started. These are the new ones right here, and these are the old ones. And as you can see, they're probably about 2 inches shorter, give or take, inch and a half, 2 inches. These are nothing major. They're just 10K springs that I got off of Stance USA. And the original coils that came, the original springs that came on my coils, these are these are 8Ks. And I really want my front end kinda close to sitting fender to lip. So yeah. So in the short explanation, there's two ways to do this. I had originally started by taking off the bottom, which is why so much of the shock body is uncovered. But the easiest way would be to take off the top. Super fast and quick. And all you gotta do, of course, clean up everything, which I've already started doing. That way, none of your lock rings get stuck. Because that was my issue, which is the reason why I just went ahead and stopped trying to take them off from the bottom and just pop the top off. Which I don't know why I didn't do that before, but yeah, I'm gonna clean this up, then get the new spring in, pop it back into the car, and see where she's sitting. And then I'm gonna knock out the passenger side. Yeah, whoops. But I'm gonna knock out the passenger side, get her back on the ground. This is probably gonna be a short little vlog, but figured I'd get something out since, like I said, it's been since December since I uploaded a video. So yeah, I'll be right back.
If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. If I told you you were beautiful.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm on the passenger side now. Just got her cleaned up a little bit. About to put a little bit of this anti-seize for the threads of the rings so they don't get locked up or corroded or anything like that. So yeah, sure, the angle probably sucks. My hands are dirty, and like I said in my previous videos, you know, I don't have a tripod and I'm recording on my phone, so gotta do the best I can with what I got, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get this assembled back on the car and adjust from there once it's on the car.
If told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful.
Shorty like an angel, feeling like I'm at the world. Girl, be my Topanga. Just love something different. I would never ditch it. I remember tweaking when you gave me all your digits. You should be my missus. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry kisses. Be my world and show them you the realest. You should be my missus. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry kisses. Be my world and show them you the realest.
Alright guys, here's an update. So this is how she's sitting now. I've went through for the last probably hour and a half doing my final adjustments. I'll throw a picture up on the screen here shortly of what it looked like before. But I can definitely go lower than this if I wanted to. I got plenty of thread showing now than I did before. But right up here we got just the hair of clearance between this tab where the bumper connects to the fender and my tire, so I think I'm gonna leave it for now. So yeah, but that's pretty much gonna conclude the video. You know, it's kind of short, like I said. Couldn't really record everything. Like I said earlier, my hands is dirty. But hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next one. I got some more stuff on the way, and I'll give you guys a little hint as to why I went ahead and upgraded these springs and went a little bit lower. New wheels. That's all I'm gonna say. New wheels, they coming. So be sure you tune in for the next one. Be easy.
You should be my missus. And usually I ain't that nigga, but you got a nigga all up in his feelings.